Hello guys, I'm cooking. This is my kitchen and I'm washing the grapes. Try to wash. Okay, this is my life. Okay, this is my life. This is me, and if you know about my life, this I'm in wheelchair. I live in London, in UK, England, and I'm a single dad, single father. This is my living room. This is that's my balcony. This is the sofa. This is my daughter animals, and this is her table, and that's her computer. The sport here. I forgot the name of this. You can put the comment, leave comment. What's the name of this? This is my son computer. That's the my balcony, our balcony. The children, the kids bike. This is our living room. This is the kitchen, and I want to show my life. This is my bedroom. And look, this is my daughter bed, and this is my bed, and this is my life because I'm disabled, and this is my daughter painted. I love you, dad. She want to hope. She said, I hope you can walk again. Yeah, that's she want to hope. Yeah, guys, how do you think about my birth? Before I didn't have a birth, and is mustache. This is my mustache is good or no? I want to cut all, and hair here, my hair, my beard, my mustache. This is I want to cut all today or tomorrow. I don't know. Look. This is my what's the name? My muser for cutting for birth. Yeah, that's it's good. Before because my wife passed away last month. Um, uh, that's why I didn't cut this. I leave the bird like this, but also it's two things because of my wife, because of the some my friends woman came. They asked me, okay, because you're disabled, your children are small, they cannot clean your room, your house, and we want to come and clean, but I said, okay, no problem, come. but they came my mother inside of the newspaper, but it was they didn't check what's this. They threw out through the and threw away and rubbish. But it's okay, no problem. But um, I bought another one. It's okay, no problem. It just and that's why I bought another one. But after that, I thought it's no problem. Mm, how many times they have to come? They clean the house, the room, and also if we ask from social worker, maybe it's okay. They will come and they for cleaning, for maybe cooking. I don't know, but we don't want to do. We don't like someone come. I don't know. It's so good or bad, but we try. We try to um, clean, but it's difficult. Maybe we cannot clean our home, but if cannot clean, it's okay. We are just we are happy. We are the happiness is important. Our feeling, our spiritual, is good. Yeah, we try to be redeem our feeling is happiness. We like to be happy, because if we say, oh, why my God, this is yes, why is happen, or why my wife passed away last week, why is what happened, why but it's we cannot bring back, we cannot in no, not anything to do that. We try to cope with. We just pray to for her, and we wish he rest in peace. That's it. We cannot anything. Yeah, that's why. Okay, this is my life. I'm the I'm the father, single father. I want to cut my hair today, and not maybe today, maybe tomorrow. This is my bird, and this is Murtaz, and maybe it's okay. It's we try to be happy in our life. All we try to. Uh, I try to. We try to to do good things, happiness, traveling, and my children are in school. They are good at their subject, math, science, many things. They are very good. I have good three children, and their talent are very good, great, and they are the top. We wish, and me and my wife, we wish they graduate. They will graduate for PhD, doctor. we hope like that. Yeah, I know some I'm waiting for that day. They will graduate, and also their children as well. I hope my grandson, grandfather, grand daughter will be like that, graduate PhD. They, it's good. Uh, what's happened with this? Okay. Okay, maybe that's maybe enough. Okay. Yes, yeah. I want to eat something. Oh, okay. I want to some grip. I'm disabled. I'm also the single father. If I complain, if I nagging, what what's happening? No, we cannot do anything. That's why we try to be happy with my children. If I am sad, what happened for my children? They getting bad. It is they sad as well. So that's why I try to be happy, and we try to cope with this life problem because of my wife, and also we try to be happy. Happiness is good for I try um, to make like this video, anything I for my life, and when I go outside, I make a video, and museum, and tourist place, and many things I will show you anywhere. This is my love. This is my, I'm the a disabled person, and I'm the single father, and that's good. Please subscribe, please comment and like my videos, and share. That if you want to ask me I what I make video, I will do that. Anything if you ask something. Thank you. Goodbye. I love you. Thank you, guys.